Hey folks, July 30th, 2020, 3:33 Central, 4:33 Eastern. Let's look at the timing calendar. Uh, we can kind of spot the inversion here with 29th coming in as a high instead of a low. But overall, the action from 29 through 31st on the daily series is positive. And as I get done, we've already surpassed the highs here, making this time series true. So again, just like today, even with the inadvertent decline in futures, um, the day turned out to be low to high, and we should be low to high tomorrow again. So at some point, the futures are going to top out later tonight and drop into the open or so, and you can see that on the intraday series. So I shouldn't be doing this, but this could potentially be a five-wave impulse on the daily waves, and potentially reach 3323, 3373, 3408 by August 10th, or plus one 3D. So that's what I can discern. Uh, this area, I don't know. Maybe we move higher first, then a drop on Sunday or Monday, and then higher into Monday close, lower into Tuesday. But overall, this is moving higher. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The monthly actually closed soft below 3050.53, um, but still above the low that we marked here. So we can consider this a retest, and this should be supported after hours and should be used as a stop. So at this point, once again, we're looking at midpoint at 3293 or the upper end being at 3323. So we'll have to see what pans out. But if you recall yesterday, the targets I had were 72 as the next one. If that goes 82, then 94, and then from there, actually above 3387 or 7. So this is achievable. This barely survived, but we did manage to close in the bullish channel. And the bottom was scored by the 0.382. Actual bottom was 3204 point change, and 0.382 was 3203.43, and all the S1, S2s that I provided in the intraday chat were accurate as well, and the S2 supported actually. So looking at this midpoint at 3282, if that goes, then 3300 is easy. If that goes, then 0.618 at 3328. And once again, um, the IWN is not very helpful on the price, but the cycle is moving up. The daily cycle is moving up. So weekly intact, monthly intact, the whole game, I've said this before, is being played around 3230.78, which is the 2019 close. We've had zero monthly closes above that number. You can go back and look. Um, Not in January, not in February, of course, not in March. So this will be the first close, monthly close above this number, which I think at this point is given the after hours action. So, that actually puts the year 2020 on a bullish footing compared to the year 2019. So, the weakness here was simply the close, which was below the PM pivot. So, but that doesn't really call for anything as long as we stay above this number, which is the same as the number here, 3250. Looking at the daily cycle, blue line keeps moving up. If you recall, I was expecting the drop yesterday into either this area or this area. And this is what inversion looks like. Yesterday we dropped to the daily line, and today we dropped to the hourly line. In the end, kind of fulfilling the both. And this is inverted, so it shouldn't have come down. But at any rate, it still worked out looking at the intraday stuff. And from here, once again, um, either this down leg got reflected here. You can see this AVC similar to AVC, or this may still be pending where futures stop here and we decline to the blue line and not actually go below the blue line. And mind you, we're way higher than this. So in the end, 3240 plus 10, 3250 is again the barrier, and that may be the worst case decline if it were to occur into tomorrow morning. And then if we drop here, then cycles are turning up here again. So if that's the case, if we're moving higher, then if this area needs to come out, this area needs to come out as a low, then actually, yeah, so if this area is the lows, then this area is the highs, and this parabola is lows, and then yeah, this is high. So I think that's the way it could pan out. But in essence, based on the timing calendar, we should continue moving higher. So that's the update. Good luck, and once again, protect your profits and trail your stops. And with today's, I guess, quote unquote, crash wave lows, I don't expect those to be broken. So, but maintain your stops, and we'll see how we close tomorrow. Good luck, and I'll see you on the board.